Today, we are diving into a popular baking favorite, Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix. This delightful cake mix is known for its colorful sprinkles and festive appeal, but have you ever wondered about the ingredients that make it so fun? Specifically, we will explore the effects of artificial additives found in this cake mix on insulin resistance. Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix contains several artificial ingredients. These can include artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. While they enhance the cake's taste and appearance, they can also raise concerns about health impacts. One area of interest is insulin resistance. This condition affects how our bodies respond to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Research suggests that diets high in processed foods and artificial additives might contribute to insulin resistance. When we consume these additives, our bodies can react in ways that lead to increased inflammation. This inflammation can disrupt how effectively our bodies use insulin. Over time, this can lead to elevated blood sugar levels. One of the main culprits is sugar. Funfetti cake mix is often high in added sugars. High sugar intake is known to be a significant factor in developing insulin resistance. When we eat foods with lots of sugar, our bodies produce more insulin to manage the blood sugar spike. If this happens frequently, it can lead to our cells becoming less responsive to insulin. Another concern with artificial additives is their potential impact on gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health, including insulin sensitivity. Some studies suggest that artificial additives can alter the balance of gut bacteria. This imbalance may contribute to inflammation and ultimately insulin resistance. It is also important to consider how often we consume products like Funfetti cake mix. Enjoying a slice of cake on special occasions is perfectly fine. However, if we make it a regular part of our diet, we might face health risks. Moderation is key when it comes to sweets and processed foods. So what can we do? Being mindful of our ingredient choices can help. If you enjoy baking, consider making a cake from scratch. This way, you can control the ingredients and reduce the use of artificial additives. Using natural sweeteners or whole food ingredients can make a healthier alternative. Additionally, incorporating more whole foods into your diet can support better insulin sensitivity. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are great choices. These foods provide essential nutrients without the added chemicals found in many processed items. If you love the festive aspect of Funfetti cakes, you can still enjoy that with healthier ingredients. Use whole grain flour, natural sweeteners, and fresh fruits for decoration. This way, you can have a delicious cake that doesn't compromise your health. It is also wise to stay informed about what we are consuming. Reading food labels can help you understand what is in your favorite products. Look for natural ingredients and be cautious of those long lists of additives. The shorter the ingredient list, often the better. Staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is equally important. Regular physical activity can help improve insulin sensitivity. Combining exercise with mindful eating can create a balanced approach to health. In conclusion, Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix is a fun treat. However, it is essential to consider the effects of artificial additives on our health. By being mindful of our choices and focusing on whole foods, we can enjoy our favorite treats without jeopardizing our well-being. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated.